everybody, welcome to Saigers Steam Clean and welcome to the channel. We sure do appreciate Brady taking on this project. Aaron and I were both busy with something that day as well too, and really wanted to get video on this because the owner of the apartment promised us it was going to be good, and it is. So thanks again, Brady, for doing this video. Everybody, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at the end of the video.
All right, so Mark has got me doing a little bit of footage here for you guys. By the way, it's Brady, me again. Welcome back to the channel. Do a little filming today. We're doing an apartment complex here. Show you a little bit of what we got going on. Pretty dirty through here. Throughout looks like we got maybe some wax right there. We're gonna try to clean it up the best we can. This room's a little bit bad. We're gonna get a little footage for you guys here, and we're gonna go over it with a vacuum. Probably gonna hit it with some code red, and ideally we're gonna make it look good. A couple spots where there's some tufts of carpet that are kind of frayed up, so we gotta be careful about those when we're vacuuming, but we'll get you guys some footage. Code red, scrub, clean. The property owner, I spoke with him, told me that they did already vacuum it one time, but we're gonna run over it again just to see if we can grab anything else out of here, and sometimes our vacuum's a little bit, like the finer stuff a little bit more. Let's see what happens. See, we're grabbing a little bit here, but nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna finish up vacuuming here. I'll pre-spray, and then we'll show you guys some of our scrubbing and see if we can make a little bit of a difference. We're gonna hit it, and we're gonna try to make it look good. We got the pre-spray down. Do a little scrubbing. We got the CRB out. So we're gonna scrub everything in here. Kind of help push the product down, help kind of break up some stuff if we can. Just a general scrub here of everything that we're gonna clean. This one especially, you don't always have to scrub everything. You know, you don't even have to scrub just at all, really. You know, it's just all dependent on the carpet or how the carpet looks, and you know, kind of a case by case for it. But this one, we're gonna hit all of it. Looks like we got some gum in here too, so maybe some gum. No, I'm not sure. You see some colors in there. We're gonna try to get those out and try to make it look good. Best we can anyways, so. All right, I'm gonna finish doing this and get back to you guys here shortly with some cleaning. So we're back. I did a little bit of the cleaner stuff, but we're getting into starting to get into some dirty here. Real dirty. Huge difference you can see there. And of course, like everybody knows, do your dry passes. Big difference. So we'll keep chipping away at it here. Come right here. Not sure what that is. We'll have to we'll grab a bag and see if we can get that to pop out. Try some dissolve all on it first. See what happens with that. Whatever it is, we got it to move, so move a little bit. Let's rinse that. All right, let's try something else. Dissolve all loosened her up a little bit. Got some gel all in there maybe. Try some graffiti gone on it. I might have done it right there. There we go. All right, I'm gonna finish up this room and That room's got some good stuff. We'll see if we can get some footage for you guys. We're gonna see what happens in here. We might gotta do some scrubbing, but we'll see. Oh yeah, big difference. We'll just see what we can do with those. I'll have to get that edge there too. A little better. I might have to go this way with it. There we go, that's better. And you can see a huge difference in here already. I'm gonna keep at it. I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, we're all done. Huge difference. The only thing I couldn't get is this. I'm not 100% sure what it is. I tried a bunch of different stuff on it. I couldn't get it to move at all. So talk to him and let him know, but big difference, huge difference. I mean, night and day. Night and day. There you guys have it. Another one done. On to the next. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
And they're off. Look at what we got here. Look at our little barkies. Oh my goodness. You're all full of it tonight. Look at all the flags and the markings and excited schnoodles. And where's my awesome mini schnauzer? Hi, where you going? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Ooh, we had a deer in the yard. We had deer poop. Miley, what do you got now yourself? And there they go. Hey, that's what we've been looking for. A little excitement. Come on, you two. Oh, that was quick skirting under. Wow. Look at you two go. Nice going, Miley. Get her, Luna. Oh my gosh, she's so fast. Both of them. Incredible. What are you doing? I can't even keep up. You do that. Well, thanks again for everybody for being here. We really appreciate it. You have a great one. We'll see you in the next. They're all there. Yeah, it's a pontoon boat. Can't you tell? Yeah, it's a pontooner. It's a slow boat. No, it's not. Hang on. Had to back off a little bit for the corner. One hand in it. All right, there we go. Come on, baby. Woo-hoo!
he go flying like that?